This I am going to record this now. Okay, so what am I going to do today? I am going to add the UI for this. For this screen. So let's get it started. This is Unity. It's a 3D something engine. So okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add this screen to add more UI for the screen for that scene. That scene appears during the end game, the end day. So we have here like 5 day selection. On the 0th day, that screen should appear. That is what I'm going to do today. This is the game. Check it out. Hey, I'm going to move here. Woo 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 woo. I'm moving. I am moving to move here. Woo 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 woo. Excuse me. I am just going to bribe these people. Does this work? Oh, okay. Doesn't. I guess it doesn't. I'm sorry. I am just going to promote. I am for infrastructure. I'm going to promote it for 1,000 monies, and I'll get 50% success rate. Let's see if I'm able to do that. Oh, it failed. That's okay. But this one, I'm going to promote. What do they want? They want medicines and they want protection. Protection or medicines. Both of them are addresses different levels of protection. Protection from diseases and viruses. And this one is protection from bad people. So I'm going to promote protection, physical protection. Oh, I promote Law and Order to 35. Yay! Okay. And then it's a turn for the second player. Second player moves here. Oh, I am moonwalking. Haha. And this player moves here, and I am going to promote. I am against Law and Order. Law and Order is bad. It fails. I am against Law and Order. I am against. I'm for education. This district, it fails again, and then I enter. Oh, it's the end day. This is the next day. This is the 4th day. Now, repeat, rinse and repeat. So that is what we do. That is what we have now. We rinse and repeat shit. Now we are going to promote this, which failed earlier. Yes. Now I'm going to conduct a sortie in this town. Let's see what happens. Whoops! Yay! Okay. And this is supposed to show you, like, this part here is supposed to show details for that district, details for this district, etc. Now, let's fast forward to day 0. Day 0, it should show your last day preparations. Now, what we do today is to add UI for the last day preparations. This part on top should show like what your reputation is. Then at the bottom is your choices for your last day miscellaneous activities. What are miscellaneous activities? They are activities that are not itemized. Shit. What? No. Okay. So I'm not going to do any programming. I'm just going to do some UI shit, UI layouts. I'm going to add a programming later. So what am I going to do here is I have to think of a way to show the level. Okay, I'm just going to go for just the usual text. I'm going to add a text. It's going to say your total reputation. So it should say something like 30%. And we're going to use the quicksand one. That's our font. Let's make it like 45, really big. And it disappeared. I know. Then let's move it here, because this is for I'm just going to show it here. Should I make the percent smaller? Okay, I don't care, because what I'm planning is I am going to add an image. I'm going to add an image of the candidate. Let's say this guy. I'm going to add the image of the candidate here. And it should say like 30%. That's your success rate. And then I'm going to add another image. For the crocky, do we have an image of the crocodile? Nope, I don't think so. There is no image of a crocodile. Oh, there is. Oh, it's a small image. I cannot see. It's a small avatar, ha ha. Maybe I should ask Ryan about it. Hey Ryan, can you add this? Can you add a crocopio so that we can add it here? Can you add? Yeah, there is no image for the enemy candidate or the AI candidate. It's not necessarily the enemy. The AI candidate, so let's just use this one as a placeholder for the AI candidate. Put him here. Let us, can we like do a negative scale? No, negative one. Ah, okay. So let's just flip it. This is your negative scale. This is your enemy. Let's name him the AI. AI photo. Why do you say photo? It's photo. The player photo. This is the player photo. This is the enemy photo. AI photo. This is the player photo. And this AI photo, let us make it. Let's just tint it a little bit. Tint it with red. Make it red so that it will say, oh, this is the enemy. It's red. Okay. Now that's the enemy, and then this is the player rep label. Let's add another one here. Okay, I see. Here. This is the AI rep label. Player rep label. The wrap label. What? You have a wrap label? Shit. This is your player rep label. 30%. Let's try to make it like a single digit number, see what happens. Okay. So 2%. Percent. Okay. Now that's their current reputation, and then so this is what would play out. This is what would play out during the last day. It should show you where your current status is as a player. You are leading by 28 points. Is it percent? Should I use percent? I don't know. It's just a number. And then we're going to add something down here for the actions. So it should show the district name, and then the what else? Your action and your budget and your let's say should I put gains and losses or your projections? No, let's just show the actions and the budget. Okay. So let's put the actions and the budgets and whatever's there. Maybe I should put this as its own like panel group. Okay. Let us put what's a raw image? Ooh, so that's a raw image. Ew, that's a raw image. Wow. Okay. So what should be your parent if you want to make a blank UI? Just panel, and then you just remove the image component, and then you call that the rep width photo. This is for the player. This is for the AI. And let's just copy and paste it here. There you go. and that component. Okay, so we have that. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, I disabled it. Anyway, I'm going to see it. I'm going to see it. Okay, let's just test it. I know. Yes, I know. Let's just test it. This is a Unity bug for the Mac. It turns black, and I don't know what causes that. That means I'm not able to show or to read my logs or to see the tree view. It's black. Maybe it's a graphics card thing, but it used to work before. Last day. Oops! It shows up and it says, okay, last day preparations. You're 30%. Okay, that looks good. Since we're just going to add 3, there's no need for a scroll bar. It's just a picture of the location and whether to harass or support, suppress or support, we call it that, and your budget. Okay. So let's go back to the panel. And then we are going to add I am such a noob at this. We're going to add another panel. What's it gonna be called now? Okay, it's going to be called the last day action panel. Let's call it that. Move this and move it down here. And inside the last day action panel, we are going to add a image, and it's going to be an image of the district. Let's say, what was the district there? Let's call it farm. Another farm. What's the farm avatar? The avatar. Okay, so maybe this one. I don't know what's the difference. Which is which? Okay, let's add a base first. This is a good base. I'm all about that base. Okay, let's add that base first. Let's call that the icon base. And then let's add the actual image. I'm going tender, I'm blowing up, I'm blowing enter. And then let's use, this one, the peer avatar. Let's use that. Use the icon base. Let's put the image inside the icon base. And then let us resize the base so that it's a little bit smaller. Oh, it doesn't work with the, oh shit, what? Let's make it like that so that it snaps. I think that's how it works. Oh yeah, it does snap. Oh snap. Okay, so that's your icon now. I reckon that's your icon. That's your icon now, and okay, that should be one of your icons. It should be 3. Let's see if it looks good. Look good, feel good. That's for that district. And then the district name. District name. It's called Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico? Because I'm funny. It's a joke. This is Puerto Rico, and should you support or should you suppress, and how much? So let's add that. Another button. Another button. Yeah. Where's the proper button sprite here? God damn it. Where's the proper button sprite? Where's the button sprite, man? I should have just... Oh, there's a boost. Oh. Button boost. Is there a button down boost? Not boost? Boost? What's it called, if there is one? The suppress button. Ah, that's better. Noob. There is this boost button. There is no other boost button. I know. What happened to my mouse? It's gone. Oh, went to the other screen. I know. Where is this located? This button. Oh, this button against. Hey. Well, there's not a button yet. It's not a sprite yet. What did... Oh, wait a minute. Should be... Wait. Is it? It's 384. It should be 384. That's what Marnell said. It should be 384. Okay. Let's make this 384. That's your pixels per unit. Let's make this 384 also per unit. This is 384 per unit. G unit. 384. Why is it 384? Because I don't know. I forgot. I don't know. I try to remember. Why 384? Why? Okay, now that we have that, this button against, let's open it in the sprite editor, and let's add the borders so that it scales properly. I think this is correct. Okay, there. How do I undo? Never you mind. I think this is it. Is it? No. It's it. And apply. Okay. I'm going to do these ones. Sprite editor. I don't know why I am using this asset. I just think it's proper. Okay, let's make it 4, and this is 5, and apply. Shit, no, sorry, this should be 4, and apply. And this one should be 4, 4, 5, 5, and apply. This one is 4, 4, 5, 5, and apply. This one is 4, 4, 5, 5, and this one is 4, should be 4, 4, 5, 5. Okay. And what else? This one also is 4, 4, 5, 5. And okay. Now we can go back to the lab again. Yo, this whole rap shit. Okay, we can now add this button up. Why does it look like that? Can I remove the text? Of course you can. Why does the button look like that if this is the real button that I chose? God damn it. No, that's not the scale, the size. Oh, okay. It's this size. That's cute. How do I make that smaller? Now, no, yay or nay. How do I make that smaller? Shit. This button icon. Oh. And then make that icon smaller. Man. Looks ugly. Why does it not scale? Dum dum. Shit, I don't know. Should scale. Why is this big? Because I can make it smaller like that, right? Like that. Maybe like 30. Okay. Or like 50. Nah, whatever. Ryan will fix this. Right? Okay, this is up, and we're using a sprite swap. Highlighted sprite should look like this one. Pressed sprite should look the same. Disabled sprite should look like this. Okay. Save it. Then this is your support action. Then we add another button, and this time it's the down action. Down. There. And it's sliced, and it's a sprite swap, and it's 40, I think. So 64.5, 64.5. Hey, why does this one look better than this one? What is going on, man? Why is this one? Why does that one suck? And this one doesn't. This one is 64.5 by 64.5. This one is 64.5 by 64.5 and 0.4. Shit! What? Is this a different art asset? I don't know. Anyway, since we're running out of time, we'll just add this and add this. I am not going to add. Oh, yeah, add that. So now we have two, this one and that one, and next is, okay, let's test it. I'm going to make that a prefab later. But for now, I'm going to add another something here for the budget. The budget, like how much you're going to spend. Let's see how it looks. Because I cannot taste it. Like, taste it. Next. End game. Oh, looks ugly. Oh, why did it stay there? That is weird, man. It's like a radio button. Video killed the radio star. What am I doing with my life? Scenes. UI. Last day panel. Let's take a look at this. Why is this wrong? Why, oh why, oh why? Is it about bounding boxes or some shit? I don't really know. Next, I'm going to look at the sortie action panel because I want to see how this is made. The budget slider. Oh, this is not a prefab. Okay. I guess I'll just copy you. And paste you here on the action panel. Oop. Oop. And this here. Let's make this background panel a little bit bigger. Just a little bit. Just a little bit longer. Just a little bit bigger. The background panel, I mean, should be bigger. I like the way they call me Big Papa. I like the way they call me Big Papa. I like it bigger. They call me Biggie. Biggie, Biggie, Biggie. And then this one, let's put this here. And then this one, over here, so that we have more space. And then with this panel, let's put this here. Well, it won't show up. I know. And then this one, we're going to turn it into a prefab. Where is the prefab folder? Here. Let's drag it there. Let's select the action panel in the prefab because we're going to add prefabs. What did I do? Okay. Should look right here. We have a last day action panel. Wait a minute. Where is it? Where is the prefab for this shit? Why can I see it? Loading. There you go. Let's see what happens if I open it. Okay, shit. Okay, shit. What happened? Okay. What is it? Okay, look like that. Oh, because it's such a stretch. Let's see. That looks nice. Okay. That is... This is your budget slider. How much budget you're willing to spend. And then go. Should take you to the election day, where everyone is going to vote except for those who don't want to. That's election day for you. That's the democratic process. Okay? I'll save that shit. And I'm going to program it to work correctly. Make it work correctly. Make it work correctly. But right now, this is what you can do. But right now, all I hear is the fighting, starting up again. Oop. Yeah. So cool. So we added that, and we are going to... Okay, is this the right? Yeah, we can stop that. All I hear is the fighting. Yep, that's my time. I don't want to make a very long video because it's boring. But that's the update anyway. That's what the game looks like now. We have this cool designer look for like setting up your classes. This is what I actually hope to do at work. I'm making this one at my day job. I'm making this kind of interface at my day job. Because I'm making an AI ship, and I'm making this one as the programming for it. We're making AI ship. That's how hardcore my day job is. Or not. Okay. I'm picking my nose. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Like the structure of the game looks like. So, I'm gonna save this in our Git. Boom. Every time I look around, add UR for last day, minus wirings. Commit that. Maybe I should sync, maybe I shouldn't. Yeah, I'm just going to sync. Merge that there. Hey, why are you not using the command line? Just want to show off. Then I think that's it. Boom. There you go. Marnell.